All right, guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how do I get to my child's assignments on the Google Classroom. And once my kid has their assignment done, how do I get it back to the teacher and submit it? So what we're going to do first is you're going to need to open up a Google tab. So go ahead and go to the regular Google homepage. Then you're going to go ahead and come on up here to Google Apps and find Classroom. Once you go ahead and click Classroom, it's going to bring you into your child's classroom. Now, if this is your first time logging into the classroom, you're going to need your child's access code to their teacher's classroom. If they've already put that in, then you're set to go. So go ahead and click on their class. And once you've clicked on their class, you're going to notice that you've got 3 different tabs. You have the stream, the classwork, and the people. Well, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to classwork. So go ahead and click classwork, and you are going to see a whole bunch of assignments here, but you're also going to see where you can go in through topics and choose from there. So I'm going to go ahead and choose on reading and writing, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the actual assignment, the animal slideshow. All right, once you have clicked on the animal slideshow, what you are going to do is you are going to use this link over here to make your to make your slideshow. So your child would fill in their animal name, their name, fill in all of their slides that come up over on the side here. And once that assignment is complete, then on the Google back on the Google Classroom page, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to turn in. It should already pop up as that's what they were supposed to do, but if for whatever reason that doesn't pop up, you would just go to add the plus sign. Since this was a Google Slides, I would go to Google Drive. And I could click on whichever slideshow it was that I needed to add. Most likely it would be in your recent. If it doesn't come up in your recent, because it should be one of the last few things you've opened. You would click on that, make sure it's highlighted. Once that has been highlighted, my internet is a little laggy today, so we'll have to be a little patient. It's going to come up blue down at the bottom. You would just click Insert. Now it will show up here that is ready to turn in. You click Turn In. And are you sure you want to turn it in? Yes, you are. So you're going to go ahead and click Turn In. Now at that point, your work is done. Now, if you realize all of a sudden after turning that in that, oh no, I forgot to do one of the slides, you can click the unsubmit and then go back, fix it, and return it in. You cannot go back into whatever you submitted and change something. As soon as you have submitted something to your teacher on Google Classroom, it is going to kind of block you access from doing anything to it. And if you try to go in and change something without unsubmitting your work, it's going to tell you that you can only view the file, you can't edit the file. So if you forgot to do something and you need to go back and fix it, you're going to have to click unsubmit, go back into the file, make the changes that you need to make, and then come back and resubmit it. All right, that is how we use Google Classroom to submit assignments. Hopefully that is helpful. If not, reach out to your teacher in whichever way that they request. If you're in Mrs. Brewer's class, make sure that you use Class Dojo for that.